Hello guys, you're welcome to this page. I want to believe that you are here because you are interested in increasing sales and getting high return on your investments. Actually, if you want to really make money, of course, you have to solve people's problem. You have to provide services or sell products. Okay, and for you to do that, you need to show your product to people that are interested in your product. So visibility is very important. You need to have good visibility. You need to get people that will be interested in your product. And what on social media platform, the two greatest sources of paid traffic. I'm talking about paid traffic now. Facebook and Google Ads. Okay, these two platforms can help you scale your business, show your product and services to people that are interested in your products. Okay, I've been using Facebook advertising for a while, and I run Facebook advertising agency, and I also do one-on-one training, mentorship training, and I've discovered that Facebook targeting strategies, Facebook ads platform is fantastic if you know what you are doing. Yes, I've seen comment, I've seen people cry, people shut down their account because they feel Facebook advertising is not working. I'm going to show you some statistics so you see that when you do the right thing, you acquire the right knowledge. If you're interested in investing in yourself and learn the skill of advertising on Facebook, you will see that Facebook advertising is superb. Okay, just understand the way it works. Basically, for Facebook advertising, you collect data, you test, you analyze, and you optimize and scale up. That's all. Okay, so Facebook advertising works. It's very important. As you can see, my home page, my Facebook account. This is my home page. I only see advert. Aside this, I have a plugin. You can also install it. My Facebook ads show. So if I deactivate it, of course my Facebook homepage will reset, and you'll be seeing organic posts, just organic posts. But if I put it on, it will reset again. And what this does for me is to filter ads, okay? Because I'm interested in advert ads, since this is what I do. I review so many ads. I review ads a lot. So once I activate it, I switch it on, okay? I will be seeing ads in my news feed. Okay, so let me scroll down, and as we see, you will see that okay, people want ads. You see different ads coming up. You can see this is an ad, Blaster software. You can see what the people are doing. You can see the way people want ads. Woman sounding text to speech voiceover for video creators. You can see another, this is on dropshipping. Okay, so there are a lot of things to learn. You can see another ad. So for me, I see ads run by different people within Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Now, if you feel that Facebook advertising does not, let me show you a statistics from Facebook ad library. This Facebook ad library, this is Nigeria. You can see a country. This is Nigeria, and let me show you that. Okay, if you look at it now, last day, that's 15th May. Okay, this is just 15 May till date statistics. This is just statistics for 15th of May. You will see page name, the name of pages that are running adverts. Okay, of course, there must be a disclaimer on your landing page. You can see amount spent, the number of ads that they are running. Okay, you can see this is Nigeria for you. People are when you can see the amount of money you can use to run your ads on daily basis. Ad spent, that's the amount of money. This is just one page. If you come here, you see that you see another page is 1 to 4. Okay, you can see statistics of pages running ads. You can see politicians. Okay, they are running ads. Okay, people are running ads. Companies, individuals. You can see this one, spending by location. Okay, Lagos State, 64,000. That means 15th of May. Okay, you can see the amount of money each state is budgeting for arts. Then you can download the report and study what is happening. Okay, I can increase it and go to last 7 days. Let's see, from 9th May to 15th May. This is reports that Facebook is giving us about different companies running ads. This company is running 26 ads, and look at how much they spent, on 2,000 naira. Okay, you can see the different amount of money. You can, this is about 11 pages. You can scroll on and scroll on and move on this second page. You can see different companies running advert, and some people will tell you that Facebook advertising does not work well. I need to tell you that it's not true. All what you need to do is to learn how it works and see making this money. You can see different people running ads here. You can see, you can come down and get by location 240,000 super. So people want ads, okay? People want, and you can change the country. You can select other country and see how much people spend on ads. If I come down here, last 30 days, you can see what people are spending. Over 1 million naira now. Over 1 million, 6 voices Nigeria. Okay, you can see 28 pages. You can download the pages and see what is really, that's on last 30 days, last 90 days. Let's see, last 90 days. Okay, the information is not available, probably it's still in process. Okay, okay, then see all dates. You can see how people are running at 35 ads here. You can see, so there are so many companies running ads. Okay, even say in a state, you can see different states. Okay, how people are running ads. So don't, that mindset is very important. If you want to increase your sales, you want to scale up, you want to see, you want to be predictive, you want to predict yourself, not that you're waiting for. You just like you're waiting, you can, you determine when it will rain, you know. That's organic free traffic for you, waiting for customers to come and meet you. You, those days are gone, and they are gone forever. Okay, what happens now is you, I mean, create, you initiate the move, you meet them where they are, you see, look for products that can solve people's problem. First of all, identify people's problem, create a product around it, or find a product around and show to them. And you see yourself making good money, even in this present situation we are finding ourselves in Nigeria. You can be very predictive in your marketing and sales. Okay, just use the right tool. Okay, then look at here, look at, this is where you see different ads, see, in Nigeria. If you put any niche, put your niche here, come here. You put your niche here, maybe talk about make money online. Let's see. Do you have any advert to make money? So this tells you, you can see different people running ads. You can see different ads. This by Nigerians, people like you and I. Nigerians running ads, Nigerians running ads. Guys, people are raking in money. Don't believe that mindset that tells you Facebook ads does not work. Don't believe that. It's a deception. Okay, mindset is very, very important. So I can go to fashion. You see what people are doing? They are running ads and placing their product before people that will be interested in their product and services. You can come in and put any industry and you discover that actually people are running ads. So you have two options. Either you run it yourself or you associate. If you want to run it yourself, fine. You can watch the video, you know, on this page and see what you're going to benefit. If you're a starter, I will advise you, and you have the time, I can advise you, learn the skill. You will save money. You pump that money for outsourcing, you pump it on your adverts, and you see good result. But if you feel that you don't have the time, then you can always outsource it. For us, we do advertising, we run Facebook advertising agency, we do mentorship, and we have courses that we sell. So you can watch the video on this page, and if you are interested in our services, you can see the WhatsApp icon on this page. Just click on it and chat us up. I know your business will be better for you. See you in the member series.